How y'all doing today? This is Kyle Jacko right now checking in from the ATL. Shouts out to all the brand new subscribers that's just been joining this team. Appreciate you. Remember to like, comment, hit the notification bell. And you've been rocking with me since day one. You already know, man. I'm not stopping. Motivation, all 2020. And you know these glasses are tinted. Doesn't mean I'm trying to look cool. I really can't see. But today's video, I know y'all looking like, why does Kyle have a shovel in his hand? Why does he have on gloves? Man, today I'm actually doing remodeling. Shouts out to Mr. Sean. It's Mr. Sean. Show what we did today. Doing a balcony. It's not all the way done yet, man, but hey, it ties into the story. Now, think about this right here in your life. I don't know what some of y'all have been through, but I'm gonna tell you in my life. In my life, I always had to plant a seed. I always had to do something, no matter what it was. I had to plant a seed for it to grow. But when I didn't plant the seed and I let it go, I done it all Kyle Jacko's way. When I done it Kyle Jacko's way, we didn't get to where we needed to be at. I kept on going down the wrong roads. I wasn't going the right roads. But the only thing I had to do was just pack and just keep on planting the seed, keep on digging, keep on doing it. That's all you gotta keep on doing with your life. They got somebody out here right now that don't want to pick up the shovel. They don't want to plant the seed for their growth, but they want everything to happen in their life right now. And they want it to happen right now. But they don't want to do this though. They don't want to do this. They don't want to take it uphill. They don't want to do nothing at all. Only thing they want to do, they want it to come easy. I'm going to tell you something. The easy blessings come for you, and you don't put no work in them, you're not going to really love them blessings like that because you ain't put no work in them at all. Only thing you did was just sit up here and you watch somebody else do it, and somebody just gave it to you. Everything I done in my life, nobody gave me anything. I had to work. That's why I teach my kids every single day. No matter what goes on in your life, you work to make good grades. You keep on working hard as you can. That's what a man does. That's what a queen does. As you see right now, we're on this queen series right now. We are bringing phenomenal queens into this series right now. But guess what? If Kyle Jack don't do the networking work, if Steve don't do what he needs to do, if Jazz don't do what Jazz needs to do, and then if Angel Renee don't do what she has to do, and then with Kim, if she don't do what she has to do, then guess what? And Josh don't do his part, David don't do his part, guess what? We don't have a queen series. We don't have a brand right now. We don't have nothing taken off, but I'm planting the seed every single day so my team can grow, so I can grow. That's what I'm doing every single day. Think about this. In your life, what seeds have you planted? What have you actually grown, thought about? Put the work in, put the prayer with the work, put hard work to it. Or was something given to you? If something's given to you, I guess you don't know what hard work means. But guess what? You're going to know what it means when you don't get to your goals. A lot of people want dreams and aspirations right now, but they're not putting in the work. Be different. Put in the work. Do what you got to do. But as you know, it's time for the motivational prayer. God, thank you for another motivational video. God, thank you for everybody that's watching me, hearing my voice. God, to anybody that's not planting seeds of greatness in their life, God, I want to let them know, as long as they come to you and they keep on speaking to you, God, you can show them how to plant these seeds. God, thank you for bringing me and Mr. Sean life so he can help me out with what I'm doing on my YouTube channel and release. I do the same thing for him. Thank you for being my photographer. Thank you for him for just wanting to do this King series. Thank you, God, for putting all these thoughts in my head. God, to my team that's been working hard as much as they're doing, trying to keep me motivated, keep me going. God, I want you to bless all my team members. I want you to bless everybody that's hearing my voice. God, thank you for everything you're doing in our life. God, you have been phenomenal in our life. You have been growth in my life. You've been growth in so many other lives. Amen. Ain't done yet. See, it keeps on going like this. Reach one, teach one. Trust the process. Remember, don't attack negative energy with more negative energy. Attack with positivity. But what do I know? I just done like 500 some videos, and I'm out here digging and doing stuff with Mr. Shaw right now. That's what I'm doing right now. But I promise you, you put that seed in your life, I promise you it will grow real big. Thank y'all a lot for watching my growth. Thank y'all for just watching my vision, watching where I'm going, and just not looking at me. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Now we're up to 1,050 subscribers. Mr. Sean made 1,050. Say hello, Mr. Sean.
Hello.
Yes, he made 1,050 subscribers, man. No lie, ever since I've been on this journey, and y'all been remarkable people. The likes, the comments, the shares, everything y'all doing, thank you. And remember, if nobody tells you this today, my name is Kyle Jacko. I love you, and ain't nothing you can do about it. And guess what? I need some help out there too. So leave your name and number, man. Me and Mr. Sean pull up on you so you can help us dig some more of this dirt. All right, man. Take care. Be blessed.